almost dead.
Yo, what is up, my dudes? We are back with another video, and this is nothing. And today, and yes, I changed my
Come in, bro.
background.
Come in. I dare you.
And my cousin, my cousin is in the background, screaming at Fortnite. But anyways,
I dare this dude to come in.
today we will be.
Oh,
I don't know what we'll be doing today. I honestly don't. I'll come up. Maybe I should do Xenoverse or gmod. Gmod is like
randos.
yo Liam. Gmod or Xenoverse. Liam. Gmod or Xenoverse. Gary mod is it?
Is it?
This guy is so nice.
Everyone open the door. Everyone keep on opening the door.
It makes me dizzy looking at it. Still.
They're gonna be way too retarded, then they're just gonna walk in.
Why are you calling people retarded, dude?
These people are real dumb. So we're just gonna keep on. We're just gonna keep on. That's
Yeah.
For us to kill.
Forget about that voice in the background. I'm gonna make an arrow where he is. He's right there.
They're never gonna win. They're never gonna win.
Like,
because we're just hiding.
To be in my room, and I'm fully behind this thing, but he's right here. If he were in my room and looking at the laptop, he would be right here on the other side.
I died. I'll take care of the other side.
I never said that. I don't care about this.
I'll try to what?
These can die in a hole, just because, you know.
I killed him.
But we gotta wait.
You die. Come on.
But we gotta wait. I should probably I'm probably gonna get like a a proper ragdoll of the mini phone thing that I have as a desktop background. So yeah, I can like mess around with that.
I killed one.
Yes.
I have no points. You're lucky. We lucky.
And who are we today? Who are we? What's our player model? It's this guy? Ew. Should I do E? G. God or Rager? I'm gonna do Rager. Like this is literally my cousin's friends when pretty sure I have we're gonna spawn in some NPCs. Spawn in a million of these. I'm resorting to
There we go. I dare you.
Game has to load. This is how much freaking stuff I did. Time to watch
I'm
it.
just gonna be chilling over here, and if they try to come in when you open it, this dude's trying to come over there. The dude is still at you.
Where is it?
Yeah, free dog. Got a free dog in here. For sale.
Oh, this is NPCs.
Dancing because we
We got
already won. I killed one of them.
and I'm gonna get my cami out.
They just really want to beat us.
Number one victory. Oh yeah, Fortnite. We about to get down. Get down, 10 kills on the boys right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. My friend just got down. We're hitting South Bend.
But we gotta be cautious. I'm just grabbing. Not all of them.
Mate. Mate.
His friend is dead.
Then we got that freaking bully combat. We got that, I like that sound effect. It's like, doing.
I thought it would be better.
It's like, doing.
I freaking cracked her.
Done. It's really nice.
Literally dead. She is so free. I saved your life.
NPCs.
You can thank me later. On the lifeguard. On the personal training lifeguard.
Hey.
Just give us some time.
Oh, hold on. I gotta get out the one. How am I all the way over here?
He's trying to kill me. That's not fun. What were you thinking? Yeah, he one. Go for the bait. You want to come in? Where you come in? Oh God. You're beating them. You're literally 1 HP. You're 1 HP right now. Why did you open the door? You literally risked the entire power up.
I can freaking jump scare you.
I didn't even turn it on. Oh,
Hold
you
on.
can just open it.
This is what you see. This is what you
Oh,
see in the
God.
movie.
Oh, Flex Boy 87. If we're not in the same team, I'm gonna be crying.
And then there's
Yes. Which team are you? Two. Wait, how is this game? Don't have any fun.
that's how you do it. Hold on.
Now we're just only have one point. around too. Are you over there?